Hi, my name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I am so excited. Look what just came in the mail. The whole Avatar Colourpop collection. Not in PR. I ordered all this because I love Avatar. It's my all-time favorite show since it came out, since when I was younger. Naruto is a very, very close second, but there's just like a special place for Avatar in my heart, you know what I mean? So I had to get everything, even though there's skincare in here and lip care that I'm probably going to try once just for the video and never use again, but everything looks adorable. I'm going to talk about packaging first. I usually don't even care about packaging, but I mean, of course, with this, I have to. I would give this like a 99 out of 100 for packaging. The reason being, why season 1, Zuko? Why? So, of course, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to put on everything, going to swatch everything, and yeah, I'm going to start with packaging. So, we have some Kyoshi Warrior lip, what are these? The Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stains. I've never tried these before, but this is what the package looks like, the little fans and Suki on them. And check out these colors. Now, I have to say, the names for everything, names aren't great. This one's called Sealed with a Kiss. I don't know why, but it appears to be like a corally kind of color, which I don't know if I quite understand that. I definitely understand this one, Fanatic. Maybe that's for like a foaming mouth guy. Even this though, that's really, really red. I think they should have went with something just a little bit darker. But that is super duper red. This is like Azula Season 3 lipstick red. Not even Kyoshi Warrior lipstick red. Which is funny because the BoxLunch collab did that too. I think, now people are saying that this is like a lot brighter than it appears. We're gonna find out. I haven't watched any videos on this. I want like my complete first impression of everything. No influence whatsoever. I think if that's the case, I think they should have gone with something like really neutral. Just because, I mean, Avatar, you know, everything's kind of like more, for the most part, like earthy and natural and stuff. So I definitely get like the red lip. I do for Azula, for Suki, for Kyoshi. But I feel like the other one just should have been something really like simple. Then we have, oops, I'm going to drop them all. The 4 eyeliners from the group. Look at these. Look how cute. So every character here has their own. So for Aang, it's called Blown Away. I get it, but I feel like a girly makeup kind of name. I don't know. But this one is, I think, a shimmery, like naturally peach kind of color. Yeah. I think, I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm going to put it on. Don't worry. I think that was a really interesting choice for Aang. You know, like airy and just like grounded. Can you be grounded and airy at the same time? But I mean, like, you know, natural, in tune with the earth and everyone around him. And maybe I'm going too much into that, but you know, I'm a big Avatar fan, so I'm gonna go there. I think this was a good choice for him. For Katara, we have this pretty blue one called Making Waves. Again, yeah, so it's definitely metallic. Kind of looks like Prance, but a little bit deeper. Maybe it should have been a matte, just because I feel like the formulas of the shimmers are not as good as like the matte, like usually the pastels and some of like the medium like value colors. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, I think the color is spot on. You know me, I love blues, so I'm excited for this one. Tofts is a brown. I understand it. I get it. I do. But I wish it was green. This is also shimmery though. That doesn't make sense to me. But okay. And it's called, I think, Groundbreaker. That's not so bad. And then for Zuko here, we have Fiery Fierce. And it's like a burgundy shimmer. So they're all shimmers. That's weird. And I'm probably going to be allergic to this one. Huh. but because of like, you know, the pigments and dyes and stuff. But I'm excited for it. I am. So, okay, obviously I don't think the collection's perfect, but seriously, I do think overall they did a fantastic job. We're gonna have to find out about the quality when I try it on, but yeah. So then we have here some skincare. This is the Fourth Ray Beauty Water and Earth like mini mask duo. Soak It Up from Tarte, which is a hydrating hyaluronic mask, whatever that is. And the Big Detox, which is a mud mask from Tarte. I mean, they make sense. They do. Should have been called like seaweed lotion though or something from that one episode, The Fortune Teller, right? So here's the Tarte one. I love this. I love the little, love that. And then the mud one totally makes sense from Tarte, right? And in the tale of Tarte and Tarte, they even went to that little spa for a little bit, so I'm okay with this. I am, even if it's just not my thing, you know? For Iro, Jasmine Tea Overnight Lip Mask. Look at Iro. Look at Iro. I mean, I don't know. I guess they wanted to include him, and this is what they did. But look, it's the White Lotus. I love this. I'm so happy. You know, I was into Avatar at a time where it wasn't as big as it is now. And even now, it could still be bigger. So people still look at me weird because I love Avatar, but people definitely did back then. And like, you know, Avatar in a makeup collection was just like a wild dream. And it's a reality now. And not just from BoxLunch. Like, a well-known makeup brand is seriously collabing with Avatar. I mean, that's really cool. And if you've been seeing their posts and stuff, like they've even been including like semi-obscure quotes from the show, like that show that they really, like they put thought into this, and like someone in there, they've got to have like fans of the show on their staff and whatnot. So I appreciate that. Then we have some super, say that 3 times fast, Super Shock Cheek products here. So we got one with Aang on it and one with Momo on it, at least the packaging. I'm gonna be saving all of this. What am I gonna do with it? I don't know. All probably gonna sit in a bag somewhere and collect paper bugs, to be honest, but I'm gonna keep it all, and that's that. So this one is called Got Glow. Like, that has nothing to do with anything. Oh, maybe, oh, Avatar's, okay, Avatar State. All right, I kind of get it. I kind of get it. And just look, I love it. So then you open this up, and this is like a tie-dye, marbleized, whatever you want to call it one. I have no idea what that's going to end up looking like. It's got like an earthy coral color, like a golden white color, and like a little brown running through it. No idea what that's going to end up like. And then with Momo, Moon Peach. I love it. And got the Air Nation symbol on it yet again. And this one is like a peachy color with some white running through as well, like a bluish white. They're gonna be interesting. That's what I think. Then I gotta show you the mirror. So it's got the gang on it, and on the outside anyway, and then the inside is a little Chibi Appa mirror. And wait for it, wait for it. I have to say, it is hard to open. It might be because I just don't have nails. Like, I literally had to get my mom to open it before. Yep, yep. It says yep, yep on it. Can you see? I love this. What am I going to do with this? I don't really use mirrors, but, well, I'm going to display it somewhere. That's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to open it and see yip, yip, and be happy. And I saved the best for last. I did. The palette with everyone on it. See, we have Sokka finally representing. All right, so maybe 98 out of 100 for packaging, because, like, where is Sokka elsewhere? But here we are. Here's the palette. And then this is what we have on the back, just showing, like, the different nations. So it's organized into the different nations. And when you slide this out, it's like a book. Is that like for book 1, book 2, book 3, the seasons? Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. So here's the front. Here is the back. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm so ready. I've seen it already. Uh-oh. I opened it earlier when it came, and I was showing my mom and my grandma, and I was flipping out about it. You ready? This looks so good. It does. I mean, for anyone who knows the show, I think this basically captures it, like the color story and like the earthiness and the elements and everything. I mean, I'm gonna be so sad to like dip into these because I mean they have the 4 nation symbols on them, and like I said, it's organized into water, earth, fire, and air. So we have Water Tribe, totally get it. Moon Spirit, Ice Shield, sure, why not? This, for like a duochrome, I think, for Moon Spirit, I mean, gorgeous. Then we have Earth Kingdom, totally get it. Quicksand, interesting choice. Earth Rumble, people have been upset over this one. It's like a brown green. I don't know what it's really going to end up looking like until, of course, I try it out. We'll have to see. I'm hoping it's more green than brown, of course, because A, I love my colors, not neutrals, and I mean, there is green in the Avatar show. Like, it shouldn't just be browns. So yeah, we have to wait and see. Then we have Fire Nation, Dancing Dragons, and Comet. Love it. Oh, and this one has a little warning on it, just so you know. Like, you're not supposed to use it, immediate eye area, yada yada, but we're gonna do it anyway. Do that at your own risk. Then we have Air Temple, Air Blast, and Vortex. I don't really get Vortex, but okay. Yeah, for the most part, I mean, look, we even have a brow bone highlight in here, shimmery brow bone highlight. I'm excited. I think that some of these might look a little similar. We'll find out, but like also Avatar, I mean, I don't think you would have such a bold makeup look anyway. I love this. You can use it this way, or you can combine stuff. I'm going to use them this way just to like represent each nation, and I'm going to put the eyeliners on to match. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm hoping that that's going to be like green, and I mean otherwise, like I said, a little more contrast here. Maybe like a matte white, a matte black, and a matte gray would have been nice. Just like black and white for like Tui and La and Hey Bai, Yin and Yang. And maybe like a gray for like, I don't know, like stones and storm clouds and air and like the color of Aang's eyes. I don't know. If I put like a third row in there perhaps, just for like, ooh yeah, for like spirits and stuff. So like the 4 nations and then a spirit row. I'm so good. But yeah, I'm so excited.